Give me the bottle on the counter.
Why do you want this random bottle?
Give me the bottle!
Oh my gosh, bro, who woke me up?
Genie, I'd like to make my final wish.
You got a genie and you didn't tell me? Fake.
Alright, bro, what do you want? This kid Tyler from my school stole my crush. So I want you to give him something.
Oh, I see. So like, you want me to give him like a rash or something, or a bad haircut, or maybe
Bone cancer. Do it.
That's way too far, man. I can't do that to another person.
Give it to him! Give it to him now!